Hi, my name is Zoë Fullerton. I'm a female otolaryngology resident at Stanford. I was raised in Los Angeles, California. I grew up with my mother and my sister. Pretty poor. My mom used to like to call it living by the skin of our teeth. There was always the sense as a kid that I was a little bit different than all of my friends, that I came from a different side of town, a different neighborhood, a different family structure, and a different set of values. And I think that that's something that carried with me forever. And as I've grown older, I've learned to hold on to and to use and to utilize and to embrace as much as someone can embrace that feeling and to identify it and use it to form bonds with others. My sister broke her arm tripping over a handball when she was like 6 or 7, and that cast was, 4 weeks and some stress and tears, and the bills were forever. That was something we thought about for years, and just the thought that that was following us around, that was something I knew personally. And I use the experiences of my childhood, and I use the relationships that I have to center me and to remind me that the reason I became a doctor was because I feel that there is something uniting about the human experience, independent of everything else. And that that's not something that means we can ignore the differences in our own situations, but it's something that transects that experience and allows us to see beyond and to fight for each other. What drew me to Stanford was the people. The people were kind, and I think that independent of all of the issues that we have in medicine and all of the ways in which we are challenged, kindness has become a bit of a commodity because it represents caring. And I think we are tested every day based on the amount that we can care, because we are pulled in so many different directions. And we are constantly greeted with this insurmountable amount of problems and things that we are told we have to somehow try to fix, and people still seem to care here. And that was probably more important than any of the other stuff that I learned at my interview, although the food was delicious.
The preceding program is copyrighted by the Board of Trustees of the Leland Stanford Junior University. Please visit us at med.stanford.edu.